Restrictions on state-licensed medical marijuana could ease following plans from the Justice Department this week. News 10 NBC's Chris Fortune spoke to the owner of a medical marijuana research company in Rochester to see how it will impact his business.
Canometrics on Jefferson Road test the potency of cannabis products. The owner says loosened restrictions on medical marijuana would allow research to broaden. The Justice Department order would reclassify marijuana as a less dangerous drug, opening the door for more research and treatment options.
Research will be required to actually tell what targets in the human body are being affected, at what dose, for how long.
Harold Smith started Canometrics in 2020. He and his team look at how human cells respond to cannabis.
That gives us a feeling for the biological potency of products and their utility.
Harold's son Owen is the chief scientific officer. Canometrics partnered with Smithers Distribution Testing, which does chemical composition studies in March.
It really gives information about how these are going to affect human biological potency, and especially for this moving in to the field of medical marijuana and medicinal compounds, it really provides the information necessary.
I spoke to a woman outside this recreational dispensary, and she told me medical marijuana is an area that she'd like to see more research in. She asked to remain anonymous.
I feel like when I look it up, there's just not enough answers for the questions that I have. And so hopefully this will open the door for a little bit more funding for these topics, especially things like in pregnant women, stuff like that.
Harold said rescheduling state licensed marijuana will put a premium on potency testing for doctors and customers.
They will be able to better understand which products are choice for them. And that's what we will lead a revolution in this industry.
Harold said his next plan is to provide a screening tool to the medical marijuana industry to test products for future treatments. In Rochester, Chris Fortune, News 10 NBC.
Well, Harold Smith spent 38 years doing research on heart disease and HIV at the University of Rochester before devoting his time to Canometrics.